Mabuhay! This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I will tackle to all of you about friends or about friendship. I know that all of us naatay mga kanya-kanyang mga friendship sa kinabuhi, naatay kanya-kanyang mga friends. Pangit man pod na in this journey wala tay mga friends sa kinabuhi. But sometimes mag-wonder ta, maka-questions ta na nganong bigla na lang mag-usab. Maybe we have noticed and we are wondering why bigla na lang makalimot ang uban natong friends or kung mag-bump mo into each other. Matingala ka nganong lahi na parang dry. Somehow naagi yung mga kausaban na mga changes ang mga friends nato, wala ta kabalo. Sila lang po na nakahibaloan na kung unsay reasons nila. But as for me, when I treated you as my friends, then I will always there in your side forevermore. Ika nga, friends is always there for you, to care for you, a shoulder to cry on. Lisod ko mag-change sa ako mga friends, when I consider you, when I accept you as my friends, then I will always there for you. Depende lang kung naadyo kay sensitive nga nabuhat sa kuha nga dili maayo, then that is the right time that I will close my door for you. But kung okay ka, walay magiging problema. God bless everyone. God bless to all of us. Good night.